Hi guys, so this is my salmon recipe coated in mixed seeds. I just literally take whatever salmon I have in my fridge, about 250 grams, and then I coat it with the mixed seeds that I have, no batter or anything, and then I put it on a medium heat on my stove, and I let it cook for about 10 minutes on each side. Guys, so whilst the salmon is cooking on a medium heat, you can hear it sizzling. I don't know if you can, but I hope you can. We're gonna go ahead and make my honey mustard sauce that's gonna go on top. It's homemade. It's what I made for my kids. I try to keep ingredients in the house for me to make a variation of sauces and for my children, just because then I feel that they tend to get bored of the flavors very quickly. So if I just quickly whip up my own sauces, they get used to it. It's easy for me to make. It saves inventory in the house. So here we go. I just put a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, together with 2 tablespoons of mustard. Give that a quick whiz, a quick stir. Season that slightly with a bit of salt, a touch of pepper, and then I tend to use some freshly squeezed lemon. There's a bit of a kick to this in terms of the flavor. So the mustard, the honey, the mustard, the olive oil, and a bit of the citrus flavor. And then the honey goes in. And it's all basically same ratio. So the same part of olive oil, same part of mustard, same part of honey. So here we go with the tablespoons. The salt and pepper is to taste. My kids don't generally enjoy the pepper, but I try to get them used to the flavor. So I do like to season all my food with some pepper and salt. And there's some citric acid in there, some lemon. So now we're just going to give it a quick taste. Perfect. Okay, and that's the sauce that I'm going to use for my kids. Give that a go and let me know what you guys think. I'm going to turn over the salmon now, and then I'm going to let it rest for a bit, and then I'll be ready to serve it. And that's it. That's my salmon. It's very easy to make. It's a great weeknight meal. The kids love it. Adults love it. Please give it a go. Subscribe, comment, and let me know if there's anything else you'd like to watch. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.